The call of the past has never been so strong. In the age of rapid technological advancement, there is an aspiration for simpler times and for an escape to the familiar, the nostalgic. And that's none more evident than with Mido's Multifort TV Big Date. This sports watch perfectly captures the current zeitgeist of reminiscing the past and reconnecting with our childhood memories. But it does so by also integrating modern technology. The result, a timepiece that seamlessly blends vintage aesthetic with practical functionality. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Mido, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. In the meantime, stay with us and discover how Mido brings us back to the past with the latest addition to its best-selling Multifort line, and how its retro design gives it a unique and compelling aesthetic. As an authorized retailer of Mido watches, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large selection of their latest models, including the Multifort TV Big Date. Explore this timepiece at one of our boutiques in Geneva, at Rue du Rhône, in Zürich, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, at Bahnhofstrasse, or in the beautiful city of Luzern, at Kapellplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Mido has a distinct heritage, but one with a twist. It was established over 100 years ago by Swiss watchmaker Georges Schaeren and was headquartered in Le Locle, the heart of the Swiss watchmaking industry. Its name, though, is derived from the Spanish Yo mido, which translates to I measure, setting the tone for the brand's deep attachment and expertise in the measurement of time. The year 1934 saw the release of its Multifort line, which was among the first watches in the market to use a self-winding automatic movement and featuring anti-magnetic properties, as well as shock and water-resistant features. The model became the cornerstone of Mido, becoming its best-selling line and the inspiration behind the Multifort TV Big Date. The first thing you'll notice with the Multifort TV Big Date is the shape of its case. Mido first used this distinctive shape in 1973, inspired by the form of a vintage classic TV from which it derives its name. With its squarish design and rounded corners harkening back to those classic, beloved TV sets of yesteryears, it gained a cult following among the watch enthusiasts. And indeed, the watch's satin-finished, polished stainless steel case gives it a refined, sophisticated feel. The case also features anti-reflective sapphire crystal on both sides, providing unparalleled visibility to the dial. Its sapphire caseback also gives one a good view of the movement's decorated gears and oscillating weight. A screw-down crown and vertically brushed bezel all adds to the retro look of this sports watch. Furthermore, the Multifort TV Big Date is reliable down to the smallest detail, and it can withstand the pressure of up to 10 bar. As you can gather from the name, the watch displays Mido's signature Big Date aperture at the 12 o'clock position, which also marks the debut of the feature in the Multifort line. The dial is itself a modern marvel that complements the vintage architecture of the watch. It features a modern dégradé effect that brings the dial to life and gives it some movement. This stunning effect further highlights the superluminova-coated white indices that give off a blue-green emission, as well as the nickel-coated, diamond-cut hands. While the exterior of the Multifort TV Big Date is all retro, beneath it is all modern. Powering this stylish sports watch is Mido's ever-reliable caliber 80. This automatic movement not only offers 80 hours of power reserve, twice that of typical calibers in its class, it also features a Nivacron balance spring that offers exceptional resistance to shocks and magnetic fields. The Multifort TV Big Date features a stainless steel strap with polished center links. It is matched by a folding clasp with push buttons and features an engraving of the Mido logo. The watch is also available with the navy blue or the distinctive Mido orange rubber strap, perfect for more casual settings. The Mido Multifort TV Big Date is available now at Les Ambassadeurs and priced at 1,100 Swiss francs with a stainless steel bracelet and 1,070 francs with a rubber strap. If you're one who longs for nostalgia, this timepiece deserves a place on your wrist. While it looks every bit like a throwback to a 70s watch, Mido equips it with the latest technology, resulting in a timepiece that is an homage to the past, but also every bit relevant, fitted with modern functionalities. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have Mido's Multifort TV Big Date available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. What are your thoughts about Mido's Multifort TV Big Date Retro aesthetic? Will this piece find an audience in the next generation of watch collectors? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Mido for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.